Dental implants are now one of the most popular options to fix missing teeth and helping to restore smiles. Implants are a permanent and durable option that could make your teeth appear more attractive and functional than your tooth has. If you're considering implants for your teeth, it is important to be aware of the procedure and what you can expect. In this short video, we'll give you a step-by-step procedure to assist you in understanding the steps of having dental implants. First step, talk to dentist. The first step towards getting dental implants is to set up the appointment with an experienced dentist. At this time, your dentist will inspect your gums and teeth, taking x-rays, then go over your treatment options. They'll also examine your oral health and figure out the best potential candidate for implants. Step 2. Treatment planning. When the dentist has assessed the condition of your teeth and determined that you're a great implant candidate, they'll create the treatment plan specifically to your needs. The treatment plan will specify the number of implants that are required, as well as the place of the implants and any additional procedures that could be needed, including the grafting of bone or extraction of teeth. Step 3. Implant placement. The next stage of the process involves the placing of the dental implants. It is generally done through multiple steps. The first step is when dentists surgically place an insignificant titanium implant inside the jawbone. This will be the basis to the dental implant. When the post has been placed, it'll require time to heal before it can integrate with bone. This is which is called the process of osseointegration. Step 4. Healing and integration. When the implant's post is placed, then you must wait for time to allow the healing process and the integration to begin. The process typically takes several months. This is when the tissue will expand around the implant's post to secure it, as well as forming a sturdy base for an artificial tooth. Step 5. Abutment placement. When the implant is fully repaired and is fully integrated into it, following stage is to install the abutment. The abutment is the smallest piece of metal that joins an implant post with an artificial tooth. It's connected to the post of the implant and is used as a base of the crown or denture connected onto the implant. Step 6. Crown placement. The final stage of the process involves the placement of the crown or denture to the abutment. The crown is made to be a perfect match to the size, shape, as well as the color of your teeth. This is creating a natural, seamless final product. When the crown is inserted, the dental implant is finished, and now you'll be able to smile with a fresh smile. To summarize, the process of having implants for your teeth is a lengthy procedure that requires careful plan and collaboration in conjunction with your dentist. When you know the process involved with getting dental implants, you'll be able to make informed choices concerning your dental health to achieve a gorgeous and comfortable smile. If you're thinking about implant dentistry, speak with an expert dentist about your options and formulate the treatment plan appropriate for you. When properly cared for and maintained, implant dentistry can deliver durable results and increase your overall quality of living.